You're doing push-ups every day. You feel the burn, but your chest isn't growing. Your arms aren't popping. And somehow your shoulders feel worse than before. That's because most people are doing push-ups wrong. In fact, these 5 mistakes don't just kill your gains. They quietly destroy your shoulders, elbows, and wrists. So, before you do another push-up today, watch this video till the end because mistake number 3 is the one almost everyone makes. Let's fix your push-ups. Mistake number 1, flared elbows. First mistake, chicken wings. If your elbows are flaring straight out to the sides, congrats, you're turning push-ups into a shoulder pain machine. Here's the problem. Flared elbows jam your shoulder joint and reduce chest activation. Keep your elbows at about 30 to 45 from your body. Screw your hands into the floor and pull your arms slightly inward. Instantly. Music, more chest, safer shoulders, and stronger reps. Simple change, but massive difference. Mistake number 2, saggy or pike hips. Second mistake, your body looks like a banana or a tent. Either your hips are sagging toward the floor or your butt is way up in the air. Both are bad. Why? Because push-ups are not just a chest exercise. They're a full body movement. The fix. Brace your core like someone's about to punch your stomach. Squeeze your glutes. Keep a straight line from head to heels. If your push-up doesn't look like a plank, it doesn't count. Mistake number 3, half reps. This is the big one. Most people are doing ego push-ups. They go down 20%, bounce back up, and call it a rep. Nope. Half reps equals half results. Your muscles grow from stretch plus contraction. Lower your chest until it's just above the floor. Pause for half a second, then push back up with control. Less reps, more tension, way more gains. Mistake number 4, rushing the reps. If you're doing push-ups with speed, not with control, you're doing cardio, not strength exercise. Momentum steals muscle growth. Slow it down with control. Try this tempo. 2 seconds down, a brief pause, then strong push back up. Time under tension equals muscle stimulus. Remember, muscles don't know numbers, they know tension. Mistake number 5, wrong hand position. Hands too wide, shoulders take over. Hands too narrow, wrists hate you. Hands just slightly wider than shoulder width, fingers spread, pressure through the palm, not just the wrists. Bonus tip, if your wrists hurt, try push-ups on fists or push-up handles. Pain-free reps equals consistent progress. If you're making any of these mistakes, you're sabotaging your own progress. Fix them, and push-ups will transform your body into an aesthetic physique. If this video helped you, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you never miss out on new videos. See you in the next.